Sum is a method that returns a Boolean, a true or a false, and it's dependent upon a test. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use sum, but you're going to pass a test that's going to iterate over each of these values. And if at least one of them passes, then you get a true back. If none of them pass, then you get a false. So let's go ahead and show you what this looks like. So we're just going to come in here and do this. So maybe you want to come in here and just type sum is 1. Maybe some value is 1, right? And it's going to complain because it's not a function. You need a function coming on in here. But you could write a function on the outside. I'm just going to do it inside of here. So this is the value that's being iterated over at the time. Let's say we want to know if this array here has a value in there of 10 somewhere. So we're going to pass this function on in, and let's run it. And we see that, in fact, as it goes over, it's like, nope, 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 nope. Gets to this point and says, hey, yeah, there's a 10. So yeah, some value in here is equal to 10. Now, this is just a very simple example. If you wanted to do more complex stuff, you 1000% can. You just have to pass the proper test in here to check for whatever it is you want to inside of your array. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you all watching this. I love making this content in my free time, and hope to get more content out there soon. Have a great day.